Hey, oh, my voice is terrible. Good morning, everybody. Yep, this bum just woke up. I just haven't slept in a couple days, and I guess today I decided to sleep. So, up very late last night, working on some things. I just got off Marty's live. Luckily, I caught that. Susie McCray is the big birthday tomorrow on Friday. And we want to make sure everyone reaches out and gives her a big happy birthday on Friday. And like Marty said, she doesn't want us to make a big deal about it, but hey, she's going to be mad at me because I was supposed to be on a webinar with her at 11:30, and I completely missed that. So sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, and I fell asleep. Susie, I apologize. Guys, big day tomorrow. Huge day tomorrow for the live event in Dubai. I'm really excited about it. We were up all night working on a lot of things to get it done. That is going to start at 11:30. 11:30 is going to start the Zoom and the live stream. The event will actually start at 12 EDT. 9 locations. It's going to be shot from Dubai. It's going to be pretty darn cool. We're all crazy about it. I don't know what else to tell you. The top dot live will be the main link to click on for YouTube's. This is going to go through all over the world. I'm pretty sure it's going to be everywhere. I mean, everywhere, guys. It's going to be that big. Very excited about it. Let me say some highs to a few people. Tanya Onpassive, what's happening? The major player in fixing everything I mess up. Lister T, how you doing? Karina Lance, there you are. Nikki Homan, how you doing? We are excited. Robert Tantillo, what's happening? Viviana Rodriguez, what's happening there? My Spanish-speaking friend, and amongst many other things that you're awesome at. Gemma, how you doing? MK Kelly, Patricia Reese, how you doing? Timmy Johnson, what's happening? Annette Curry. Ooh, Redford, what's happening? Yep, I'm a bum today, Red. 2 days, really no sleep, and you guys kept me up later than I think I wanted to be, but I slept, and I needed it, I think. So, yeah, guys, we're excited. We're fired up. Make sure you get this out to everyone. Like I said, 11:30 Eastern time. It's a.m. The Zoom and the live streaming is going to start. The actual event's going to start at noon. So we want to get as many people as we can to get on this. There's going to be a lot. The Zoom holds 20,000 people. If you cannot get on that Zoom, this will be on the YouTubes all over. And that's that one, my brain's froze. The top dot live, I believe that's what it is. If I screwed it up, write it in the comments. I'll fix it later. Mark Booth, how you doing? Bedroll, what's happening? Ooh, Marcella Veros, what's happening? Guys, can you imagine tomorrow at this time, we're going to be going crazy. All right. It's really going to be a big event. I'm really excited, but I'm ready for the next event too. I mean, this one is going to be crazy. The next one, Ash said, is going to be crazier. And I think y'all should be excited about that. We are not doing the Robin Noble show tonight due to the fact that we're getting ready for Friday. So be ready, be prepared. We haven't done it in a couple weeks. That's because we haven't had a lot of information, and we want to give you great information. But something this big takes a lot of work. I know Marty DeGarmo is hugely responsible for many things. We were up with 5 or 6 of us last night, discussing how things should go and getting direction and a lot of fun stuff. So, and it's just going to be fun. Uh-oh, who's calling me? Hold on. No, that's not Marty. Let me go back to where I'm supposed to be here. Anywho, tomorrow, live, you can hear my voice is shot. I got to try to save my voice a little bit for tomorrow. Because that's just how it works. The Onpassive life is extremely, it's fun and crazy. Non-stop. Many people, you guys, and I want to do a shout out real quick to the Obless. We started doing that on Tuesday. Really big turnout. Great ideas. That's going to be every Tuesday at 9 o'clock. Very, very excited about that. I'm still getting a lot of people sending me their ideas, and that's great. You can keep them coming, but send them to the show. Get to that show at 9 o'clock, guys. A lot of good things are going to come of that. If you don't know, we're building a virtual reality city right now to get rid of poverty, homelessness. It's going to be an amazing thing. We're off to a great start. We already have one huge manufacturer that joined that day, who's connected to over almost 100 other manufacturers. That is a great start. Next Tuesday, I'm going to have another special guest with Jeffrey Morlock, and we're going to do another presentation of another corporation. It's coming together. Lots of people are crazy about this. These corporations, these manufacturers are really getting nuts because of the targeted traffic and what Onpassive is really going to do for them. Plus, they're jumping in to help us out with our Oblast projects. The manufacturer that we just had on there, a lady named Feline and Jake Fish, introduced me to her. Basically, she can build a whole ecosystem. It is a great start. And everyone else who put their ideas and got on there and spoke, it was pretty amazing. So get your ideas, write them down. Next Tuesday, we're going to do that again. But man, let's just stick to Friday right now. Remember, Onpassive is part of everything that you're going to do the rest of your life. Everyone is going to need Onpassive one way or the other. Oblast, of course, is very important to me. And if Onpassive wasn't here, or Oblast wouldn't be happening. I want you to think about that. It's going to give us the opportunity to help people, not just in your family, but all over the world for any cause you can possibly think of. So I'm crazy about that right now. Between that and this Friday show, it is crazy. How many times am I going to say that today? Crazy, 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 crazy. Jay Mookie, what's happening? Pat Parent, how you doing? Chris Stanovich, Tracy Gear, what's happening, ladies? All my beautiful sisters on here. Where's Bill Must? Bill Must, I know you're on here. John White, you're probably on here. I'm not seeing your names, but hey, Bill Must, you know what you got to do today. Roll it. Get it rolling like you always do. I just shared a great video by Bill Must. You can hear my voice. Hold on, water. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Yep, I got to get my voice back. I need some honey. Bill Must just shared a great video. I just put it on my Facebook. Check it out. Share it out. And everything he does, everything Bill Must does, guys, is beautiful. John and Bill, Timmy Johnson, they get on here. They make some phenomenal videos to help us all. And we're very appreciative. So please make sure you check out the Bill Must YouTube channel. I also have a YouTube channel, but I really prefer to blow up Bill because Bill's helped me out in so many ways. So check out Bill's YouTube all the time, every day. There's always something new. The guy works around the clock. But guys, Friday, we're in Dubai. We are in Dubai. We've been in Dubai. We're going to blow this up even bigger than what it's good. I'm telling you right now, tomorrow is the day where the world's eyes are going to be on Dubai. All right. Their time is 8 o'clock at night. Us, it's 11:30. I think it's going to go from 11:30 to 3 o'clock. Still waiting. I got to talk to Marty because I'm like still sleeping. But anyway, get excited. Get fired up. Share this live, guys. Share this live. We want everyone to know about Onpassive because pretty soon that founder's position will be over. Will be over. Get your family in. Get people that need help in this. It's going to truly change the world and change lives. Hey, if you got a birthday today, Susie McCrae, I wasn't supposed to say it. Tomorrow is Susie's birthday, but if you got a birthday today, happy birthday. Hey, guys, try not to text message Susie too much about her birthday. You better blow Susie out of the water with her birthday. I mean, my God, 84 years old, and she looks that good. She's going to kill me. All right, guys, check out everything going on Onpassive. Share it. Talk about it. All right, it's here. We are happening. To all you people that don't believe, who cares? We don't care if you don't believe. We already know what's happening. The world is seeing Onpassive totally. There's nothing to hide. There's no secrets. Boom, baby. Onpassive's rocking the world. And tomorrow, get on there. Get excited. Let's just blow this up and go crazy with it. All right, I got to go. I love every one of yous. All right, stay plugged in. Stay tuned. And you guys know what's coming. You should be more excited than me. You should be more excited than me. Why? Because you're a founder, that's why. So get in this, guys. Let's go crazy. Share this out. Everyone who's listening right now, if you see me talking and the person that shared this video, you need to get back to them. Ask them for the link for the YouTube channels tomorrow, and talk to them, ask them questions about Onpassive, because they care about you and they want to help you change your lives, guys. $97 to get into a multi-billion-dollar business, and you're going to earn residual income. Woo! It don't get any better than that. And guess what? I can't wait to go fishing. Guess what? I can't wait to go fishing, knowing that I got 1,200,000 angels out there saying, what's Chris doing today? He's fishing. We got work to do, angels. We got lots of work to do. Yes, I'm going to go fishing, but I'm going to start my day every single day by trying to help somebody out. And I even might take them fishing with me. But guys, many people need us out there. Many people need Oh Bless. Keep sharing. All right, I got to go. I love every one of you. I'll see you later. Bill Muss, let's roll that YouTube. Get her going. Woo! I'll see y'all later.